Is we on? We on. What it is, what it do, SI crew. We're back with another video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Slide your finger to the right. Hit the bell to be notified. I know it's kind of janky. Maybe it's kind of. Oh, that might have been so. Hold on, let me wipe the camera out. Yes. I don't know what be wrong. I'm gonna download a little app for the laptop. I don't know what be wrong with the camera. But yes, I just came to see what y'all was doing. My phone out of space and stuff. I just called. Just came through to see what y'all was doing. I ain't want shit. I ain't want nothing. We got some little crab. Look, those go very well with crabs. I don't know. Like, I'm really like a water and juice drinker. Really just like water and cranberry juice. The different kinds of cranberry juice, not just regular like white cran strawberry. Like I told y'all, that is the best. White cran peach is good too. But you know, you gotta get you a little soda when you eating crabs. I'm not lying. I don't know. Make sure she ain't gonna eat a little crab or two. A little egg, little tater. I done ate most of this stuff. What you say? I know. We ain't supposed to be celebrating today, but I want to celebrate. I said myself said, because baby, we don't feel like cooking. Baby, this weather in Florida just been like really, really up and down. So, kind of been kicking my ass. I'm talking about kinda, it has been kicking my ass. So, this is a cussing channel, baby. Your children can be on here, but we cuss a little bit. A little bit. I'm trying to slow down. I'm talking about stop. I was gonna say stop. Baby, don't have me making promises. I like to be a little vulgar sometimes. You understand? Just a little bit. My daughter up under the table, she is scared. I just really wish that y'all would take people into consideration when y'all want to sit here and pop fireworks all day and all night long. This is really aggravating. Okay? I am a Yorkie dad, proud Yorkie dad. And noises like this and thunder and stuff like that, it wrecks their nerves. Okay? I only got one. Girl dad, hashtag what's up? I only got one, but it wrecks her nerves. All of this noise like really bothers her. Like, she was on my shoulder like a little period. I'm talking about holding on for dear life, scratching me up. Them ain't the kind of scratches I want on me. Okay. If you get it, get it. Then you don't own well. They been going since then. Y'all ain't even supposed to be celebrating today. All right, here got all this noise and stuff. Let me move some of this stuff so that way I can move my plate over. Y'all up here making all this rackle. That might fall. But if it falls, guess who's gonna get it? We'll get it. But yeah, like, let me tell y'all. So that's nerve wracking. But I'll tell y'all how I went to KFC yesterday and I asked the lady for some honey barbecue sauce. Like honey barbecue sauce, and some honey for my biscuit. So I'm like, honey barbecue sauce and honey for my biscuit. Repeat it like 4 times. I hate when I repeat something that many times, if not more, and you still do the wrong thing. Y'all know this lady gave us honey mustard. First of all, ma'am, it's disgusting. Second of all, ma'am, I know other African Americans eat that foolishness, but I don't eat that. That's not what I asked you for. Okay? So these are seasoned real good, but you know it also could be that mine was like at the bottom of the pot. It stayed in there soaking for a good minute. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I said it ain't supposed to be celebrating, but I ain't celebrating. I just went by. But they were like crabs. I was like, what? Who turns out crab? I got me a crab or a few and some legs and stuff. You know the liver long. This ain't celebrating. This just eating. That's how like everybody saying that. Oh, we just going for the food. No, they celebrating. They doing fireworks and everything. I got none of that foolishness. I'm finding my work in here. This is the work of the Lord. Let me tell you, this baby right here is so meaty. She was huge. I already had, I broke her down, but she was huge. Feel me? Baby. But anyways, yes. I came on here because I ain't been on here in a minute to holler at y'all real quick. Y'all just don't understand how many times I'm trying to record this video. You know what I mean? Like, first time my brother came out the back saying some outlandish stuff. Wait a minute. Don't play my video. Alright, bro. And take it out. Then I'm getting good at recording. I'm talking about a whole conversation with y'all, right? My little brother called. Messed up the whole video, so I might as well answer because it done already started the video. And he ain't want nothing. Better get now he was in pulling the yard. What the hell he called me for? Coming out. He be working me. But anyways. I don't know how I go when it comes to sibling. He the baby boy too. That's ridiculous. Fine. Y'all probably like, so what you talking about? Probably can't find the post now. I think you said something about like depression doesn't always look sad. It'll be the person like with the biggest smile, biggest smile or something. I don't know, we were talking about that though. I was just saying, you know, don't be scared to go get mental health help. Right, when it comes to mental health is serious in the African American households. And the only reason I say it like that is because I'm speaking from experience. People that be like, oh, why would you say? Because all black folks, not just black folks, do that or say that, you know, blah, 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 blah. Because I'm speaking from experience. I ain't speaking from y'all households. Okay? I be like, oh, pray about it. You know, talk to God. You know, God will fix it. God needs some help. Lord. When they feel like you're going down the wrong path, you're doing the wrong damn thing. Babe, without work is dead. Or like you ain't doing something. Babe, without work is dead. Okay. So same with mental health. Faith without work is dead. Like you can hand it over to God. You have God fix it, but sometimes God need help with that thing. You gotta put in some work. You know, go talk to somebody. Go sit down and see somebody about that thing and get it in order. It's okay. If you're grieving, it's okay to go get you some grief counseling. Oh, don't be scared. After my granddad died, grief counseling was probably one of the best things that could have been did for me. I liked it. I ain't mind. My counselor was cool too. That's probably why. Cause she was like really, really cool. And she fed me. Muffin, that's how they get you. Listen. Man, it's okay. You get to feel better while feeling better. Understand? She put me on to the little gas station chicken. It's this place. We're in Florida. It's this place over there on Edgewood. I think it's Edgewood. On Edgewood, baby. And gas station got some chicken. But that chicken and that piece of bread was good. Child. But yeah. I was really like an escape for me. Like she really, really helped me. To the point where like I was like, what you mean finished? I done finished? Still grieving, girl. Like you can still grieve, but like be done with grieving counseling. It just tells you how to cope with it, how to handle things, and just let you get it out and talk about it. See, our granddaddy had died in front of us, so uh, we needed it. You know what I'm saying? Well, that lady was cool. I really wanted the vanilla one, but they ain't having it. The store I went to, they done turned into a liquor store. I guess liquor stores don't believe in vanilla stuff, cause they ain't have vanilla Coke either. But anyways, yeah, like that was probably, you know, a good thing. So after like I had passed what they needed me to pass for like the grief counseling part, I didn't know we had to pass it. I thought we could be in it as long as we needed it. So I had to figure something else out so I could be talking to my counselor. We lost touch after a while because like once I hit 18, I aged out, but all the way up until 18, I went to see her. And I was like, see what we could do. I was like, no, you gotta go to the adult one. Ma'am, this thing is paid for. It don't matter. Well, I ain't going to talk to them other people. Other people probably might have been cool too, but I don't want to talk to them. I want to talk to them. We hadn't already built a relationship. All that. Well, I'm gonna go through it again with somebody else. They might not have been like her. But for real though, like, so we just found something else. And she was like, I know you don't have this issue, but it wasn't like no made up stuff. It was about being gay. Ma'am, I'm supposed to be born a boy. That's how we pulled on it. I was like, hey, like one day, like one of the people tonight, did you talk to her? Him, Asian, gender identity issues. Well, I ain't got no identity issues. I tell people I'm a boy. I'll tell people I'm both. Okay, I'm mixed, but I ain't talking about ethnicity. I'm talking about gender. Oh, y'all probably like, damn, you just said kids could be on here. Don't be around here judging y'all churn, and y'all out here doing every Tom, Dick, and Harry. I meant to get on here for prayer one. Shoot, I'm gay every day. Every day is proud for me. You know how they be like, every day is Valentine's Day. Every day is proud for me, baby. Cake makes sense. She be whipping and flipping them cakes, baby. Yep. So, like, let them. That play a big factor in some of like kids, like mental health too. Like coming up and like people say you can't be born that way, but you really can. Like I've known all my life, like it was something different. I just come put my finger on it. I'm like, man, maybe I shouldn't. But yeah, like I be lying. God knew. If he made me a boy, I had kids by the wrong people. I be one of them little dudes with the word baby mamas of them. Or with baby mamas that I just don't want to deal with. So he was like, I just gotta make you. I ain't even gonna say that. God knew I needed balance in my life. So he said, bam! He put me together and he was just like, I'll just make you both. I was like, cause look who your daddy is. You are already gonna be, you know what I'm saying? You are already gonna be that. So let me make you both. I'll see my house. You can't really see it cause the light. Whatever. Maybe I should turn that light off and leave this light on. And it might work out. I don't know. I don't feel like getting up though. Yeah, I drank my pink up like my daddy. My daddy do that. No matter what he do, I just do it. Um, but yeah, y'all could really be playing a big role in your kids' mental health issues and stuff like that. Like, and like certain questions your kids ask, you really got to pay attention then too, because they could be asking you something. It's probably like dealing with them. I used to ask my mom and them all the time, like, what would y'all do if like one of us was like gay or whatever, or one of us like the same sex. And I just remember this one day, like we was riding and we was on the way to the house. And it was like, oh well, we'll just beat it out you. Who finna get a whoop for no reason? Not me. But baby, after a while, I just didn't care. After my granddad died, I really just stopped caring. They were like, oh, you dress like a boy, you just can't dress like a boy around the family. I thought that was the stupidest shit ever because we went to school with family, so they'll be like, that ain't how more dress is school. The family knew. Cause once they just went ahead and asked, I'm like, we knew, cause you ain't never like keep your legs closed when you're sitting down. I'm just be like, Lord, mother, close your legs. And they be like that until you just like the boys. Child, we thought you played on. But because they hadn't seen us in like school and shit like that. Like was on like MySpace and stuff. We thought you played sports. My nephew did this shit all the time. He was like, I was right telling people, yeah, my auntie play basketball for Ed White. Da 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 da. It's all man. Come to find out, you wasn't playing no damn sports. Everybody was like, nah, I ain't never seen her. I ain't never seen her. You ain't playing no dog sport. You was just gay. Damn, nephew. Yeah, like that shit hurt your feelings, nephew. That shit hurt your soul. Lord, y'all was real disappointed. Y'all ain't never asked to come to no game. Not for my nephew, but for the other family members who thought I just played sports. Damn, you ain't want to come see me? Okay, about this shit. Child, I went out there. I went to the little sports trials. I was looking at hoes though. I ain't gonna even lie. But anyway, I'm trying to say, well, I went to the flag football trial, but I was just looking at hoes. I wasn't trying out. I just knew them girls were going out there with them little bit of shorts on. Trying to catch a ball. But yeah, y'all could really be playing a big part in messing up y'all child's self-esteem, self-confidence, all of that. I usually like, well, dang, like my siblings knew. The ones who like my sister who I be with, or whatever, who y'all see on my channel or whatever. She was like, I knew something was up, cause you used to say stupid stuff, and I knew it wasn't for just hanging with daddy. You used to be talking about getting with my mom, and I used to be like, alright now, sir. She talking about, I understand now. You would think about no, sir. I just thought it was funny. Shoot, I talk about everybody mama. Everybody I went to school with. Lord. Oh, let me tell y'all a story. So, my friend, or whatever, like, we was in cool since like, freshman year. We met freshman year. And so, like, we've been cool, like, all the way through graduation. Like, we grown and stuff now. So, like, communication ain't, like, up there like that. But, and we see each other, like, we speak, stuff like that. We talk. We might chat it up from time to time. But, you know. So, I used to tell her all the time back in the day, girl, I'm gonna be your stepdad or whatever. I was him. She was telling me about her dad all the time. She was like, my dad ain't gonna like that, blah, blah, blah. Child, I met this girl daddy, right? And, I didn't know it was her dad. I always like to hang with old heads. I don't know if I told y'all that before. So, like, I was on the bike scene. I was at, like, a social club or whatever. And I was in a social club. So, we used to go to all these little events, all the annuals. We used to go to some bike nights. Like, if I wasn't working, maybe I was in somebody bike night. Like, we used to go to some of the bike nights, whatever, whatever. And there was this one dude, like, he was like real cool. And I'm like, hey, what's up? Be like, what's up, homie? Da-da-da. Like, we was cool. Like, that was my homie. Or whatever. Rest his soul. So, like, we went to, I was like, okay, shoot. Like, I go to their bike night. Like, his club, like, I go to their bike night. Anybody else, I'd be like, I'm right off the work. But yeah, I don't go because me and him cool. And I knew we were going to kiki. I love a good kiki. Child, you love a good kiki, you will love hanging with me. I love to give a good kiki and have a good kiki. Alright. We would be chilling. Man, we used to have them. We used to have them BBWs in there doing split. You remember? Lord, I mean, dancing wasn't enough, baby. That one party, that picture that she seen of me and her daddy. If only she knew what happened that night. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think it was like between our club and they club, like most crunkiest club. They said if that was a trophy for that night, because they give out trophies and stuff like that, like furthest travel, most crunkiest club, most members, present though, and like a whole bunch of other trophies. So like, I think it was between us two. And they was like, man, we should have got like a trophy from most crunkiest club, and then y'all had like battle it out, baby. Them girls was yes. I'm talking about splits and all. Yes, Lord. We had to took a little picture. It was me, him, and our sergeant, my sergeant at arms. Man, she seen the picture, told this man my real name. Told this man my nickname too. So like he kept like calling me my nickname. And I ain't think nothing of it because we did a bike ride for the mayor or whatever here. And my mama was out there. So he had not seen my mama. And like they had done chatted up and stuff like that. Whew. So I'm like, I ain't put it in my mind. And then my president at the time was my cousin. And I got like, a lot of other cousins on the bike scene or whatever that he like cool with. So I'm like, I don't pay shit, no mind. Hey man called out my real name and bike name. I said, wait a minute. Come on, let's go to the side. Come on. What you doing? He told me, I knew that was Garcia because you was taking too long to catch on. I was calling you Muffin. I said, because everybody called you Muffin. I barely respond to my real name, but they definitely don't know my real name. He was like, yeah, my daughter knows you. Da-da-da. He was like, y'all went to school together. I'm like, Lord, I probably done been with this man's daughter or something. I just want to let you know, or you let me know who your daughter is. Like, I'm a really good dude. Like, I wouldn't change then. Um, I'm just really good when in a relationship and stuff. Like, I'm just, like, no. She said you're like best friends or whatever. I'm like, I just want to let you know, hey, if you're gonna beat me up, just let me know now. I heard good things about you. Da, da, da. All right. Oh, have a Motherfucker. Have her come out sometime. I was trying to get the yolk out. I'm sorry, y'all. He was like, no, I wouldn't have my daughter on this thing. What? Asshole. But yeah, I was like, you know what, you right. Don't have your daughter on this thing because that's going to tell my age. Because she'll be like, oh, yeah, we went to school together. And they'll be trying to figure out, like, why I'm kicking with your daughter. Like, they know I'm young, but they don't know my age. I'm like, okay. We got that thing with our own little secret. I ain't even know. I better keep that to yourself. I'm like, we still cool. I had to ask him because I used to tell his daughter all the time. Girl, me and your mama on video. I used to just be joking. I used to tell everybody that though. About their mamas. They used to be like, alright, muffin, do. I ain't pay me no mind. I thought the shit was funny. Especially I got that one. The one from middle school. Her mama so fine, Lord. And she got some hazel eyes, man. I was serious about her mama though. Lord, I was serious about her mama. Her mama like nice, petite, little caramel color. Hazel eyes. She had a short cut. Not too much booty, not too little. Lord have mercy. I see that woman there. I'm just, how you doing? I'm grown and stuff now. Yeah, but I'm a whole house husband. You know what I'm saying? I'm a house husband material. I run quite a few businesses. You know what I'm saying? I'm an entrepreneur, but you know what I'm saying? For the most part, I'm a house husband, baby. I cook. I'll run you a little bowl water. You know what I'm saying? You hear me? I just had to make sure. But anyways, like back on the other stuff, I had to make sure that girl ain't tell her daddy that stuff. Some people be relaying the message to their people. I be like, why would you say that to you? I told my mom what to say. What part of what I said, baby? Because none of it was relay a message friendly. But let me know what you told her. What her answer was. Cause baby, I don't. My daddy showed me how to treat her like, you feed him good. Pay yours forever, baby. Feed him good. Buy him their little favorite perfume a time or two. Man, you in there. You know. Yeah. But yo. Anyways, but yeah, y'all. But yeah, by mental, y'all go get that thing checked out. Go get that thing checked out. Cause that thing could get a little too heavy for you and God. God gonna work on it. You know what I'm saying? And he gonna work it out. That thing gets a little too heavy and you know. And they be like, dang, I don't know how to pray about this. You know? I don't know. Like, I don't feel like it. I don't know what to do, where to go, how to do it right now. With this situation at hand. Oh, that feels so much better. Y'all better go get that. Get that help. Baby. Suicide ain't the way. Just go get that help. Yeah, you ain't even gotta tell nobody your business. If you want to get that help. Unless you feel like it. Yeah. Other than that, keep the shit to yourself. You ain't got to though. How people been. But I don't know though. I for real, shoot. You voice that thing, you let it be known. Like you could be helping somebody else take the steps they need to take. You could be helping. You could be saving somebody's life by just from them seeing like, damn, like they kind of got the same background, came from the same place that I came from. You know what I'm saying? Or like, damn, they like around my age. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it looked like, you know what I'm saying, like good over that way. But it's showing they being transparent. Transparency is everything. I like being a little transparent. You know what I'm saying? Like let y'all see, cause you never know like whose life you could be saving by being transparent. Like if you keeping shit a secret, like it's AIDS or something. I like running people around here hiding the fact they got COVID and shit. So you got like you got AIDS or something. Damn, they done had the flu too. Lord, y'all be hiding the wrong stuff. Girl. I was just out there in that rain. That's why I got a little sniffle. Girl, I just telling people you got that Rona. That Rona donor. I've been out there acting the fool and got that Rona donor. That Rona donor. That Rona donor. Don't be trying to steal my song, y'all. It can't just right up. Well, yeah. Alright. It don't make you crazy, like none of that shit. Psychotic. None of that. Crazy is the motherfuckers who won't go get help. You know them thoughts ain't regular. You know them thoughts ain't natural. If you was you and you was feeling yourself, you wouldn't be feeling that way. Like, go get that help. Take that step. Take that chance. Especially like if you can afford it, or if you got insurance that'll pay for it and stuff like that, man, go get that. I like having dental insurance and your tooth hurting and you won't go to the fucking dentist. Why I'm gonna sit there with that pain when I could go get help? I'm telling you. Go get it. Yeah. You might get a counselor like the counselor I had. I here feeding you and stuff. That's why you choking. That's why who choking I? That ain't it. It's a steroid. I was cutting up too bad first too. The Lord knew it. That's why he won't let me drop down too much. I could lose a little weight to tell my story, but he won't let me drop down too much. I keep trying to tell him I ain't gonna act a fool. I ain't gonna act a fool. Maybe if I go that cutting up chunky, he'll make me be like, let me take some of that chunkiness, baby. Because you was doing too much. But them girls like the chunky men, y'all. How high went and bite knife. Chad. God, dog. That was what I'm trying to tell you. They be playing like they don't like the chunk boy. Baby, we winning. Baby, we keep you warm in the winter. And we'll make sure you got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, we will. Ooh. I need my head wash. Somebody comment section down below. I be feeling like I don't be wanting to wash my own head because I feel like if I wash my head, that it might as well get retwisted. Like I feel like it's stupid to just wash your hair and then not do it. I don't know why I feel like that, but I just feel like with locks, like you gonna wash your fucking hair, like you might as well do it. And I don't feel like doing it. You see how my shoulders is got me sitting up here looking like a linebacker right now. We don't feel like doing it. Man, these potatoes so good. I wish I had just put more potatoes on here. Right here listening to my auntie. Just make it even more. Oh, I should have got a plate full of potatoes. It's my problem too. I don't eat nothing else. I eat potatoes. They clean. I eat a potato. I said only black people. Until I keep the perm, shampoo and shit. Ain't no shampoo. Yeah, they'll get some of that shampoo from out the perm out in there in the kitchen. I don't use that stuff. I use cream of nature, honey, shea butter, and something else. It smells so good. Lola use it too. I put it on my jewelry house too. I had them grew. Her ponytail about like mine now. Her ponytail was little. Her ponytail about like mine. Y'all see my ponytail. I be saying I want my hair to grow. But I don't mind it growing. I don't mind it getting the length that it was before. My other set of locks was down in my butt. But I really like it short. I really like it like this. I really think it's fitting this length. I mean, I had my locks before. Just the length I was just gonna cut them to, so they wouldn't be so heavy. Yeah, them people be doing all that hair all down to their feet and stuff. That is crazy. Hair to their calves and stuff like that. I don't understand. My hair already too much for my neck. You see how big my fucking head is? Then I want to have some heavy hair. Man, my neck gonna be. That probably how them people who ain't got no neck lost their neck. They want to have these big old heads and all this heavy hair and stuff, and now they ain't got no freaking neck. You can't come back from that. But anyway, like, by night, baby, I'm like, ooh, you're so soft. I was like, yes. But I'm supposed to be hard, baby. Like, yes, sir. Look at you. Look at me. Look at me. But yeah, we in, baby. We is in. I got me some skills. I'm probably gonna go take a shower. Well, I am gonna go take a shower. I got crab on me. We'll take that outside, put it in the trash. Take a shower. Go chill out in the bed. Y'all, I watched Stella got her groove bed. I don't remember watching it before, but I watched it last night. It was pretty good. Y'all talking about y'all like, y'all act like knotless plaits is like new. But I swear that's what Stella had in her head. I don't know, but anyways, I'm gonna sign off before the video get too long. Yeah. So live life to the fullest. Life is too short to be anything other than happy. Death could be at your doorstep. You could be the next person stepping out. So do whatever you want today in these moments. How you want to do it, baby. Don't let nobody steer you in a different direction. Unless it's something that's like gonna mess up your life. Like, then that's okay. But other than that, do what you want to do. Eat the foods you want to eat. Holler at the people you want to holler at, baby. All I can say is no. What you mean? Listen, all right, cool. We off that and keep it pushing. If ain't nobody else told you today, I'ma tell you. You can hear from us. I love you. Be blessed, y'all.